Gage by back rope and raising Snurp. Looking for the lead. Brazilian Babe now for the outside. Safety's gold. And moving up is Cuts away in the middle portion. Then followed by number 3, Summit Dancer. Out straight they travel. Snurp leads by some 3.5 lengths, followed now by Cuts away. Brazilian Babe right behind in third, down in fourth. Is entry number 3, Summit Dancer. Moving up na the outside, Safety's Gold. Long way back, Andy Sram, Barkarahan, while C2 Net is running in the tail of the field, nearing the last 600. It is still Snoop. Leads by some 5 lengths now, Cuts away. Brazilian Babe moving up is Summit Dancer. Safety's Gold. Here comes a long shot. Andy Sram, Barkadahan is next on line, and Zaytonet as they reach the final turn with Snoop. Leads by some 4 lengths. It's Nerp. Cuts away. Moving up by Ruila is Summit Dancer. Safety's Gold. But still Snoop leads Balang Kanya, followed by Summit Dancer, and Safety's Gold on the outside, and finally might be Safety's Gold, close Summit Dancer's Nerf, then followed by Andy Swarm and Cuts away. So